Is your Subaru Forester screen going black when you plug in for Apple CarPlay? 80% of these display issues are actually just minor software glitches that you can fix at home. Let us start with the most effective diagnostic step. Perform a hard reset by holding the volume knob, then clear your phone and car pairings completely. If the reset fails, check for a frayed cable or lint trapped inside your phone's charging port. Always ensure your phone is running the latest iOS and check the Subaru website for potential firmware updates. Try these simple fixes before paying for a diagnostic fee at the service department. Replacing a bad cable or updating software costs almost nothing compared to replacing the entire head unit. Switch to a high-quality certified cable and toggle the CarPlay settings on your Subaru display one last time. Safety first, never attempt these adjustments while the vehicle is in motion. If the screen stays black, you likely have a hardware connection issue that requires professional repair. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more Subaru troubleshooting guides.